gosh, is that your hair? Oh my god, like your hair is amazing, blah blah blah, you know, like so many compliments, and I can't even like. Hey y'all, what's popping? Yes, today I'm here with my afro out, but not for long though, because I'm gonna be filming a video doing my big afro puff, like when I sleek my hair down and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this afro puff. Unfortunately, I threw out the box when I got it, so I'm gonna try my best to look it up on Google and see if I can find the most accurate image of like the afro puff, so that you guys can also get yourselves one as well, because I mean, sharing is caring, right? We can't be slaying by ourselves, can we now? So the first thing I do is I make a middle part, because I am doing a middle part today. So just to try and get a proper part. Middle parts are always so tricky, I feel, or I find. I think this is the middle, and I think this is as good as it's gonna get. So yeah, now to do the sections. So however far back you want your part to go is where you should kind of start that part, but it doesn't have to be like the same width all the way down, just like that part, and then you can make it like skinnier as you go down, just so you don't have too much hair in the front out. So that's section 1. Just gonna tie it up. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna make a little bun. And the other side as well, basically. So where does it start? Somewhere there. Okay. So all the way down. It doesn't have to be a perfect line, just something equivalent to what you did on the other side. So I feel like that should be good. Doesn't have to be perfect. So this is the second side. Yeah, that's about right. And tie this side off as well. Okay, let's do it. Just do it in a little bun as well. Okay. All right, so we have the 2 buns. So when you section your hair, honestly, it helps in terms of getting that perfectly even, sleek look all around. So if you start with the back, so the back has way more hair, obviously, like I'll show you guys. So the back has so much more hair, but it's not gonna be too hard, because once you do the back, honestly, then everything else is super easy. So obviously, first things first, I have to try and brush the back in place. Once your hair is brushed properly, you can tie it as tight as you can in the back. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's tied pretty nice and pretty tight. So now when I put the gel on top, it's definitely gonna like be nice and sleek, right? So yes, just to make life easier for yourself, make sure you do like a simple plait, just so that all your hair is out of the way. Yeah, so just like 3-strand plait. If your hair is thicker, it might be harder, but obviously just try and do the best you can to like have it braided. And that's just it, just like that. Now you're definitely ready to start gelling your hair. So I'm gonna start with the back, obviously, and this is the gel that I use for my hair. Honestly, this gel has like, it works perfectly for me. I don't know about other textures of hair, but honestly I think it's pretty strong hold. It does say super hold gel, so I think it should work, but let me know how it works for you. For me, it works perfectly. So this is what I'm gonna use for my look today. I'm gonna start gelling the back now. I'm gonna turn around so that you guys can see. So I use black gel just so that, like, I don't like having any like white flakes showing, so I feel like black gel is the best kind of gel, especially if your hair is black. So yes, the back is done. I'll show you guys. How does that look? See, it's nice and sleek already, right? Ooh. Yes. Now let's do the front. So I'll start with this side. Okay. So when you take it out, make sure you brush your hair out. Just brush it out so that it's, I guess, as sleek as you can get it, because the front is what matters. Okay, so for the front, basically what I do is I just do it in like 3 sections. So like 1, 2, and 3. So you start by gelling this back first. Okay, so you see that? Okay, so the back part is down. Okay. And as you gel, you can also just brush. That way you can get the hair to lay. Then you get the second section and just do the exact same thing. So just gel it down. Again, you can definitely brush as you go along, just so you can get it to be as sleek as possible. Okay, so as you gel it, just make sure you press on this part when it's close to the ponytail in the back, just to make sure it's right by your ponytail. Then finally, the third section, you basically just do the same thing, just gel it. If you want to have like that kind of like swoop effect, you can definitely do that. So you just kind of bring the hair forward and guide it the way you want it to go. Okay. Once you've sleeked the last part on, you may have some excess gel in your hands, but you can always get like a paper towel and just wipe it off your hands. But yeah, so basically you're gonna have the excess little bit of hair sticking out like that. And what you can do is just get a bunch of elastic bands and just tie off each section separately. So basically just like that. Just tie it like that. Make sure it's nice and sleek. Okay guys, that was a bit of work. So yes, I'm gonna do the exact same thing onto this side as well. I'm honestly not gonna film this side, but yes, it's exactly the same process that I did before. So I hope the other side was very easy to understand. But yes, same thing as before, just split the other side in 3 sections just to make it easier for you to sleek it down easier. So yes, 3 sections, and yeah, just do each section at a time. So yeah, I'll be back when this side is as sleek as this side. After some slaving, I managed to get this side sleek as well, and I'm about to tie it. Okay, let's tie it to the back ponytail as well. Okay, so you guys can see. Alright, perfect. Now all the hair is sleeked back, and basically what you do with these little hairs, you can honestly like just braid them together underneath. Like hopefully your hair is long enough to braid. If not, then just leave it. It doesn't really matter because it's gonna go in the bun anyway. And then once that is done, you're going to get another elastic band, and this time you're going to make a bun with your hair. Basically that's what you do. And now my hair is all sleek and ready to get bunned, you know. Okay, y'all, let me stop playing. I am ready to get my bun on. Ow. Okay, so this is what the bun looks like on the inside. So you have the two hooks, like one here. So yes, basically what I do is the one that has a tag on it goes in the back, and the one that has nothing just goes at the top. So here goes. So this one on first. And my hair is not dry yet. Honestly, it doesn't really have to be. It's just up to you, like if you want it to be super dry before you put the bun on. But this gel dries really quickly, so once I put the bun on, it's probably gonna dry in like maybe 10 minutes. So, you know, it's not a big deal. So yes, I've hooked the back and I've hooked the top. So then you just get your string. Make sure all your hair is out of the way and just pull. Make sure your little bun is inside, because if it's not inside, then yeah, that's just gonna be a disaster. But yes, so once you pull and once it says tight, because you want to make sure you secure your bun. Okay, so then I just wrap it around my hair. Just wrap it, and if you can tuck it in somewhere, that's great. If not, you can get a pin and just like pin like the little part that's left maybe to your hair or something, but it should be able to stay, to be honest. And then you just fluff up your hair. Once it's on, just fluff it up. Make sure your front is not left looking scanty. Some hairs may be a bit, I guess, together, but that's fine. You can always just maybe trim them if you want, or just try and split the curls. It might be a bit of a struggle to split them, so I wouldn't advise that. But yeah, as long as you just hand pick your hair, like honestly the bun should turn out looking super cute, like it's basically looking right now. And yeah, honestly y'all, what do you think? Seriously, it's super cute. And I got the bun from Chloe's. Yeah, like honestly it's super adorable. Like I can't even stress how much I like love this look. It's so cute. Let me turn around so you can see what the back looks like. So that's the back. Super big, right? It's big and it's definitely very eye-catchy. Every time I go out, everyone's always like, oh my gosh, is that your hair? Oh my god, like your hair is amazing, blah blah blah, you know, like so many compliments, and I can't even like exaggerate how it's such an easy like style to have. And basically when I go to bed, all I do is just take off the puff and just wrap my hair around, and that's it. Super easy, right? Can't get over how cute this look is. But yes, I'm gonna put all the information that you guys need in the description box below. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this look, because I enjoyed doing it for you. And yeah, I hope you guys don't hate the fact that I used this like cute Snapchat filter to do this video. I thought it made me look cute, and I was just very I was much more comfortable using it because makes me look super cute or whatever. But yes, I'm not saying that I need the filter to, I guess, feel confident or whatever. It's just that it made my eyeshadow pop, because honestly, without the filter, like, my eyeshadow still looks nice and it still looks orange and whatnot, but it's just not as like bam in your face, so yes. Yeah, hope you have an amazing day. I love you all, and yeah, take care. And comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you think I slayed or whatever. Now I have to go, but thank you so much for tuning into the BLT, big little thing, if you did not know what that means. But yes, and more videos coming soon, and I hope you guys have such a blessed week and an even better weekend. Love you all, and take care.